Here I've got ELEPHONE C1 Max, and let me show you how to use all the secret codes on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, and now go to keypad. And let's start with the first code, which is *##, 4636 #*#. And as you can see, now you're in testing mode, where you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi info. Let me start with the first tab, which is phone info. And here you can read your email number, phone number if your SIM card is included, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, roaming, and also you can perform a ping test here. Just click on Run Ping Test, and then below you will be able to notice the results. So that would be all. Let's go back. Then you can check the user statistics, click here, and now you can come along with all details regarding your applications. Here they are. Let me go back, and now let's go to Wi-Fi information, where you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So let's go back. This is what you can do with this first code, and let's go to the second one. Also very useful. Enter *##, 759 #*#. And now we are in the back menu, where you can check brand code, unique device ID, activation event sense, and many other very useful situations. You can also check pings and events here. Also, you can come along with your client IDs. So this is it. And let me go back. It's time for the third code, which is *##, 426 ***. And now you're in Google Play Services, where you can come along with ping, connect, disconnect, events, and status also. So here you've got actually 5 modes that you can check, and these are also very useful information, so just come along with all the necessary information for your ELEPHONE C1 Max. So now let's go to another code, which is *##, 225 ***. And as you can see, now we are in calendar info, so if you will be logged in with your Google account, then you will be able to come along with all events assigned to your device. So some birthday celebrations, meetings, everything will be stored in one place, so you will not forget about anything. So that would be all for this 3 digits long code. And now, last one, very useful code is *##06#. And this one will provide you with both email numbers assigned to your ELEPHONE C1 Max. And that would be all. Click on OK to go back, and this is it. These are all secret codes that you can use in your ELEPHONE C1 Max. Use them as often as you want to. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.